gonna try to eat the Cheesecake Factory. Ma'am?
No, the guy with the Mickey Mouse.
I didn't notice.
He had a sparkling Mickey My memory is disappearing.
Give some reflection. There's people sitting there. I hope they don't think we're waving at them. They think we're waving at them. Let's see if we can get a seat at the Cheesecake Factory. Nice place. I don't see any line. Maybe if I talk through this entire thing, the music won't be copyrighted.
chocolate caramelish cheesecake made with Snickers. You ever had that?
I think so. $13.99, $14. 14.
Where do you get candies like that?
I don't know now. I used to get them at like Best Buy. Are they still in business? The one in Tri-County went out of business.
Oh, did it? Huh. Did Kmart? Did they buy it? Or have Kmart like that?
I'm figuring out why this camera is screwing up on me.
These are good prices.
I've bought a few from here.
Yeah.
But like everything else, sometimes it's hard to find my size. A lot of these are really pretty.
Yeah, they are.
$8 and something.
I know. So I said these are good prices. Should have Greg come here and buy my engagement ring. Wait a minute here.